Hi everybody. So today we're going to do the fly stitch, and I just show you a little bit here of what it looks like on a piece that I'm working on. It's going to be from my Beautiful Border series, and this is not finished, but this is the fly stitch, and it's just almost like a little repeating pattern of Y's is kind of how I think of it. Really pretty stitch. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to do that today. Again, I'm using the burlap, my big needle, my thread, so you can really kind of see what's going on. And we're going to start up here at the top, and we're going to poke our needle through, and then we're going to come directly across from it a nice span, and then we're going to just pull our thread through, but we're not going to bring it all the way through. There we go. What we're going to do is about the same distance that these are apart, we're going to come down here and come out. So it's almost like making a little triangle of our threaded dots. And I'm going to pull that through. And this is my yarn is getting a little on the huge side here. Straighten that out. And now we could just stop and make a little tiny stitch here. I'll show you that. And pull it through. And it gives us, whoops, hold it down here. And it gives us a little bit of a, kind of just like a V. And we could just keep it like that. And we can bring the next one up through here. And then we're going to bring the same distance from here to here. We're going to bring that down through this side, pull it through, not all the way through, and right in the middle of these we're going to come back down and we're going to push our needle up through the fabric, so it's kind of like just like, as I said, a little triangle. Pull it and make a little tiny stitch, and this is the horizontal fly stitch. Alright, but we also can do something else. Let me grab another thread here, and I'm going to show you how to do the vertical fly stitch, which is the kind that I just showed you on the border at the beginning. Alright, so on the vertical one, we're going to start again with making a hole, bringing our thread through here, going across, and then we're going to bring it up in the middle of those two holes, down a little bit of a ways. So I'm going to go a little bit faster here now, doing it all at the same time. There we go. So we have the same thing going. Instead of just taking the one little stitch though, we're going to go down something that's about the same length as the sides there, and we're just going to pull that through the fabric. Alright, so now we have a Y. What we're going to do is we're going to come back up. We're going to bring our needle up right just a little bit under where this guy comes. So right about here. And up we go. And then we're going to bring it also underneath this guy, directly across from here. And now we're going to bring our needle out at the same place that our Y, as you can see right here, the same place that our Y came out before. We're going to pull it, make sure that your thread is on the opposite side so it catches it. Alright, and as you can see, we're starting to get that going. Let's do another one here. So we come down about the same distance, pull it through, just getting my yarns tangled here, and then we're going to come so that we're underneath here, and then we're going to come and so it's underneath here. So poke one up, and we're going to come through this one, and again we're going to come out this hole. So we're going to pull it up and out the hole. Make sure that your yarn is caught up there, and again there's our next one. And I'm going to finish it off with a last stitch on the bottom. There we go. Running a little bit out of space. And there you can see is the vertical fly stitch. So again, we can do it this way, which is just the horizontal fly stitch, or the vertical fly stitch, which is great for borders. And bring this over again. As you can see, this is the vertical one that I've been doing. And well, that is how to do the fly stitch. Remember, if you're enjoying my tutorials, hold that way, there we go. If you're enjoying my tutorials, maybe hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!